How many of you know today God has telling entrepreneur system, you are listening to that? That means we are having that facility through Geethanjali